Meet you all again. I need 10 profiles from here as early as possible and create their business plan into next 10 times more powerful. And that they have to share the success story to all their BNI members. And this is an excellent platform, sir. I should salute this platform. Whoever has invented it, please make India a great country and all of you can do it. I assure you that it is possible and you are all the talented. So that anthem, I can convert that into a song and send it to all of you. We are trying with a lot of musicians. This anthem I'll create and send it to all of you. Please, when you come out of the home, sing this anthem along with your prayers for the God and come out, see that day will be very powerful for all of you. Some mantras Abdul has noted me and just made some points. And for me, he is the research guy for me. I don't read any books, neither newspaper. Anything I want, चलो कुछ points दे दो मेरे को. हो गया. This copy I'll give you all. Go next. First one. Your willpower, your determination and the results of purpose will make the impossible possible. Impossible, I am possible. We say it is impossible. Nothing is impossible in life. The only way to stay focused is keep yourself 10 hours busy professionally. Growth comes when you squeeze 10 years of work in 3 years. When you think, use every single brain cell to think solution is guaranteed. Don't run behind money, run behind business growth and value addition. Money will run behind you. Ideas are important. Money is available like potatoes. Next. Yeah, it's available like potatoes. Sabji market mein. I have an idea. Billions of dollars are there. I'll introduce you to 500 venture capital angel funders. No problem at all. Next. I had one case study. One man is already worth 4,500 crores net worth. But anyhow, I'll talk some other time about that. Next. Entrepreneurship is a journey of 25 to 30 years. There is no shortcut. Please take this in your mind. You need to have a vision for 500 years. There's only one entrepreneur in this country who has lived up to that expectation. Bhawarlal Jain from Jain Irrigation. I advise you to read his case study. He is the first person to come on the public platform and tell that I apologize to the shareholders because of my greed. I did all the blunders. I would assure you all that I'll build my company again and reward you all. And Jain Irrigation with 7 bypass surgeries, that man is still living as a legend in Jalgaon in a very flat area where no terrace gardening. Is the first man and the whole Israel is ready to adopt his technology and it has given inspiration to millions and the most ethical businessman. Next 500 years his company can run. So think of 500 years. In Japan there is one company, 29 generations it is running. They say in India that 5th generation, 4th generation we become zero. It's nothing like that. It's all about approachability, adaptability and circumstance and situation where you are very clear about that day and your future. And respect the government rules, respect the regulatory, respect your service tax, respect your profession tax. Please don't come into this because these people will not know anything, the kind of problems you have undergone and they'll make your life miserable. So please be with them and pay 30% of the taxes, nothing wrong. Okay, after that maybe 99% money doesn't go to the public development. That maybe you all have to change, that your children may have to change. Because your children are going to live for 150 years, your grandchildren will live for 500 years. The power of human intelligence is reached that level. I didn't want to talk about all those things. Let's be job creators and not job seekers. The time between thought and execution should be the least. When it comes to principles, don't move an inch. Genuine appreciation can take you places. Every day, this is very